Good afternoon everybody. In last lecture we shall discuss about genetic terminology. Now today we shall learn about monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross experiment. The first we will start monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. First of all, starting about the monohybrid cross. The monohybrid cross is a cross between only one pair of contrasting character, and this cross is called monohybrid cross. For example, Mendel studied this monohybrid cross in garden pea plant. In this garden pea plant, study the several pair of contrasting character. But in monohybrid cross, only one pair of contrasting character is studied. For example, in pea plants, height of plants means one is a dominating character and another is a recessive character. First is the cross between tall plant with dwarf plant. This one of the character is the height of the stem, and the crossing is takes place. The one is a tall plants and another is a dwarf plants. In monohybrid cross, this one of the parents is tall and cross with dwarf. This is the parents, and these parents, there are genotypes, or they form the genotypes capital T, small t. A dominating homozygous tall, and it is a dominating trait, and another is a dwarf, small t is a recessive trait. These are the gametes or the genotypes, and they form gametes, only one gametes, capital T, and this dwarf plant produce the small t. And this F1 progeny is obtaining. This progeny is capital T, small t, and this is a F1 hybrid. This F1 hybrid is produced in crossing between tall and dwarf, produce tall plant. In F1 generation produces the tall plant, the crossing between tall and dwarf, and produce the one of the hybrid tall heterozygous tall plant is produces in F1 generation in monohybrid cross. Now second generation, F2 generation is count in monohybrid cross. F2 generation is calculated by selfing of F1 hybrid. F2 generation is produces. This F2 generation is count by with the help of checkered board method. Selfing of F1 hybrid, the F2 plant is produces. The male and female selfing is takes place. The capital T, small t, same capital T, small t. In checkerboard, the first crossing between these two tall hybrid plants. The capital T produce tall plant. Next one, capital T small t, it is a homozygous tall plant. Next one, heterozygous tall. In this third, capital T small t, another tall plant is produces. This is a heterozygous tall plant. And lastly, only one dwarf plant is produces. It is a recessive trait. Dwarf plant is produced in monohybrid cross. The phenotypic ratio is occurring. The phenotypic ratio in monohybrid cross is tall plant produces 3 tall, dwarf 1 dwarf. This the phenotypic ratio is appearing 3:1. In monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio takes place 3:1. Now the genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross the genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross is genotypic ratio the genotype is genetic constitution of an individual. The capital T 1 plant, capital T small t 2 plants and small t 1 plants. The genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross is 1:2, 2:2, 1. This is phenotypic ratio in monohybrid cross. Now, we have studied the monohybrid cross experiment, and that time the tall and dwarf plant is crosses and produce the F2 generation. This F2 generation occurring the phenotypic and genotypic ratio. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1, 3 tall plants and only 1 is a dwarf recessive plant is occurring, and the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2, 2:1. Now the second dihybrid cross. Now let us start the dihybrid cross. Di means 2 pair of contrasting traits or 2 pair of heritable traits. Dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. In this cross, the crossing takes place the 2 pair of contrasting characters. 2 visible characters are studied by dihybrid cross. For example, in dihybrid cross, the 2 characters means one is a round seeded plant, round, and yellow seeded plants cross with wrinkled green seeded plants. These 2 pair of contrasting traits. First is a round shape of seeds. It's a dominating traits, and other is a wrinkled seed shape. It is a recessive traits. And yellow is a dominating seed color, and another green is a recessive trait, and these are 2 pair of contrasting character, and dihybrid cross is occurring. This example can see that this example of dihybrid cross. The first of all, parents. P generation, parents is round, yellow, cross with wrinkled green. These are the phenotypes. These are the phenotypes. Means phenotype means it is the external appearance of an individual. Now the genotype of round yellow and wrinkled green seeded plants. The genotype is of this round capital R, capital R, capital Y, and cross with wrinkled small r, small y. Now they are produces the gametes, capital R, capital Y, and small r, small y. Now this F1 generation is produces capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This F1 generation is produces F1 generation. First filial generation is produced in dihybrid. T is a round yellow. Seeded plant. The first generation is produces the crossing between two individuals and the produces offspring. F1 hybrid is produces. This is a round yellow. F1 hybrid is produced. After selfing of this F1 generation produces the F2 generation. There are produces 4 type of gametes. The F2 generation, the 4 type of gametes are from small capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. There are produced the 4 type of gametes. Selfing of this capital R, capital Y, small y. The produces gametes. 4 type of gametes are produces. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Same. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. The selfing of this F1 generation produce the 4 type of gametes. These are 4 type of gametes are formed. And count the F2 generation. Count the F2 generation in dihybrid cross with the help of checkerboard method. F2 generation. With the help of checkerboard method, these male and female plants there are some 4 type of genotypes or gametes are produces. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Same in male and female. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y. Small r and small y. First, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Next one, capital R, capital Y. First plant is produces round yellow, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Round yellow plant is produces round yellow. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Round yellow. Next one, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Round yellow. Next one, capital R, capital R, small y, small y. The two dominating, capital R, round, and small y. The green seeded plant. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Round yellow, capital R, small r, small y. The another round green seeded plant is produces. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, round yellow, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Round yellow seeded plant is produces. Next one, small r, capital Y. This small r it is a wrinkled and these are dominating yellow, wrinkled yellow seeded plants. Next one, small r and capital Y, small y. The wrinkled yellow seeded plants is produces. Next, for capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, round yellow seeded plant. Next one, capital R, small y, round green seeded plant is produces. Next one, small r, capital Y, small y, this wrinkled yellow, and last recessive plant is produces. This recessive plant is small r, and small y. This is one of the recessive plant produces this wrinkled green seeded plant. Wrinkled green seeded plant is produces. Count the F2 generation. Here are produces the 16 plants, and these plants, the ratio, phenotypic ratio is takes place. This phenotypic ratio in dihybrid cross is 9:3:1. The phenotypic ratio in dihybrid, the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross round yellow seeded plant is produces 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this 9 plants is produces. It is a round yellow color seeded plants. Round round green color, three plants, and round, this round green plant is 3 produces. Next one, wrinkled yellow plants, wrinkled yellow, three, and last one, wrinkled green plants, wrinkled green seeded plants is 1. The phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is 9:3:1. This is dihybrid ratio. The phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is 9:3:1. This is the two ratios or crosses. First, monohybrid cross, and the ratio of monohybrid cross is phenotypic ratio is 3:1, and dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is takes place with the help of checkerboard method. There are produces 16 plants, and this phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is 9:3:1. This is a two crosses, monohybrid and dihybrid.